Hello and welcome to Legal Insight with Shweta. Today we are starting with one of the most basic and interesting topics in law, jurisprudence. But wait, before you get scared of the big word, don't worry, I will explain everything in very simple and clear language. Let's begin with the meaning of jurisprudence. So first, what is jurisprudence? The word jurisprudence comes from the Latin word jurisprudentia, which means knowledge of law or study of law. In simple word, jurisprudence is the theory or philosophy of law. It answers questions like why do we need laws? How are laws made? How do laws help people and society? That's why it is called as the science of law. Let's move to the definition of a jurisprudence. That what some famous legal scholars said about jurisprudence. First is John Austin. According to John Austin, jurisprudence is the philosophy of a positive law. And according to Salman, it is the science of law. And according to Holland, it is the formal science of a positive law. And Roscoe said jurisprudence is the science of law using an analytical approach. So you see, every expert gave a different definition based on how they viewed law. Why is it so hard to define jurisprudence? Now, here comes the big question. Why is there no single fixed definition of a jurisprudence? Here are 5 simple reasons. First is different opinion. Some scholars think jurisprudence is about theory, others think it's about how law works in real life. So everyone gives a different definition. And the second is changing laws. Laws change with time. For example, slavery was legal in the past, but today it's illegal. So jurisprudence also has to keep changing. And the third is broad subject. Jurisprudence talks about the law, moral, society, politics, and more. So it's too big to define in one sentence. And the fourth is different legal system. India follows common law. France follows civil, and Islamic countries follow religious law. So one definition cannot fit all these systems. Fifth is connected to many subjects. It includes ideas from history, ethics, economics, and sociology. So it's not only about law. Let's move to the importance. Even though it is hard to define, jurisprudence is very important. It helps us understand why laws exist. It guides lawmakers to make better laws. It helps judges and lawyers interpret tricky laws, connect law with society so people get justice. So in the conclusion, so now we know that jurisprudence means the study of law in theory. Even if there is no single definition, it plays a very important role in the legal world. If you liked this easy explanation, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Legal Insight with Shweta. And tell me in the comment what topic should I cover next. See you in the next video. Bye bye.